So this is US oil analysis for Friday 14th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may like to go. So previously we've had prices counter resistance above this $71 barrel mark. We've had this pullback, brief rally back above the 69.51, had the sell side momentum come back into the market down towards 68.50. Currently we've brought back above the 400 and 200 period moving averages. If we do see that continued buy side momentum, looking for a retest of the 69.51, successful break from which we're then looking for a test of 70.79, and if we do see that sufficient volatility here to the upside to bring us beyond the 70.79, the very next level of note that we are looking at is to move up towards that 71.50 here on the US oil. If however we do encounter major resistance in around 69.51, or we do fail to hold above these 200-400 period averages, we're then looking for a true test of that 68.19, successful break from which we're then looking for a price test of 67.12. Major see prices head down beyond that 67.12 down towards that beyond 67.73 down towards that 67.12. Previous in there we found support, and beyond that to the downside we're looking for a move down towards that 66.71 here on the US oil if we do continue to maintain the somewhat bearishness that has come into the market. But we do appear to be breaking out of somewhat of this trend that was heading here to the downside. We do appear to be breaking out of it, so we'll look to see if we do have this continued bullish buy side momentum. But if we do fail and break back within this downward facing channel, then again we're possibly looking for that significant level of 67.12 providing support here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart of the US oil, we've had this rally, we've had this pullback, another rally, encountered difficulties in around that 70.79. We've had this pullback so far, so again we'll see if this rally takes us up towards the 69.51. If we do encounter resistance, we may just make new lows beyond the previous lows in around that 67.12, and if that is the case, we are then looking for prices to potentially head down towards that 66.71, and beyond that may even see prices, if we do see quite a bit of volatility in the coming days / weeks, we may just see prices test 200 period moving average here on the US oil. So we have mentioned a few occasions a potential for a head and shoulders pattern, but it's increasingly seeming unlikely at present. Prices are developing very slowly here on the US oil. We've not seen that rally up towards that $73 barrel mark for the potential for the shoulder to come into play so far. So what we are looking at is a market which is starting to develop a bit of a range. We'll see if we do find support back again down at that 67. If we do, it would confirm this range even further here, where we do have that resistance sitting slightly above the 70, support seen around that $67 barrel mark. So we'll see whether we do break out of the range here. But more recently, I suppose we do have our lows, we do have higher lows, so we'll see where we do find support again. If we can put in a third higher low, possibly have a decisive break and hold of that 70.79, which would increase our confidence of possibly seeing a move up towards that 72.88 or that 73.16 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.